Hi everyone, this is Vinod here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at some of the stocks in my current watch list for discretionary trading, where I look for chart patterns and then trade them for a short term. And please note that the standard disclaimer applies. This is just for educational purpose and this is just my opinion of what I observe using technical analysis knowledge and how do I interpret it, and it's purely my opinion. It is not financial advice. Please consult with your own financial advisor before you invest your money. Now that we have finished the disclaimer, now let's get started. The first stock in the watch list is AMCR. So we can see here that the stock has recently given a breakout and the stock retested it and is strongly given a bounce back. So I will look for some pullback here before I add here, and it's breaking out of a very large base as well. So that is a thing that I like about this particular stock. The next one is CARR. Similar story. We broke out and we are continuing. We are seeing continuation patterns, and we have broken out after a few weeks of sideways consolidation. That is CARR Global, and this stock, if we watch it on a weekly time frame, it's much more interesting because the stock does not have anything above. It's clear blue sky above it, and if you see it on a weekly chart as well, the breakout candle looks very strong with good volumes as well. That is the second stock. Now let's look at the third one, which is CBRE Group. Now this is on a weekly chart. As you can see, it's emerging out of a very large base that has lasted for a couple of years as well, and the breakout candle looks very good on a weekly chart. Now if we observe it on a daily chart as well, and we can see that we are having a continuation pattern. The stock has recently taken out the all-time high, and we can see an ascending triangle pattern. So the strong has recently broken out, and you can see from the volume as well. The volume is also good on the breakout candle. That's CBRE. The next one on the list is CPT. Similar story here. The chart pattern that is observed here is an ascending triangle pattern, which means that as and when the price is falling, the buyers are coming in to absorb the selling pressure, and here we see that the stock has recently broken out. So that's CPT. The next one on the list is DOC. This is also a similar pattern where we have an ascending triangle breakout. That's DOC. The next one is IP. Similar ascending triangle pattern, good volumes here as well, and it's a similar pattern, and it has broken out convincingly, and there has been no only an inside day after the breakout and a strong move at the end of Friday, which is also a good indication that the stock is not retracing and it wants to move up. The next one on the list is IRM. Here we can see a similar pattern as well, it's an ascending triangle pattern here as well on IRM. The next one is MO. If we check this on a weekly time frame, we can see that it's coming out of a large base, and there's been strong moves in the recent weeks. We can look for some kind of pullback before we enter, but we can see on a daily time frame, the stock has given a breakout again. It's showing a continuation pattern. It's making higher highs and higher lows, and this pattern seems to be continuing. That is MO. Next, we'll look at a couple of technology related stocks. Roblox. The stock is also coming out of a large base. As you can see from here, the base is quite large and we have recently broken out of this large base. It's a pretty volatile stock, so we need to be very careful and have tight stop losses for this one. The next one is CIEN. Similar story like Roblox. We are coming out of a very large base. There was a gap down and we have filled this gap, and we are trying to move up and close this gap. So those are the list that are currently in my watch list. If you like this video, please do subscribe and do comment what stocks are currently in your watch list and what are you tracking. Thanks for watching.